Most roof problems stay hidden until they become urgent, expensive, and disruptive. Introducing Ovrsite, the future of building and roof management. Ovrsite gives you building intelligence for roofs and building envelopes, combining compliant drone capture with AI-assisted defect tagging. Step 1. Capture. First, we conduct a full health and safety assessment. Check local airspace restrictions and which drone is most appropriate, providing you with a detailed and robust RAMS report. We then capture consistent, high-resolution roof data with minimal disruption to site operations. Step 2. Detect and validate. Next, our proprietary AI, trained on thousands of defects, highlights likely issues. Then we validate the results, so the output is reliable, accurate, and actionable. Step 3. Decide and plan. You receive structured outputs via the Ovrsite Atlas portal, a defect register, clear priorities, and planning-ready information your team can act on. Roof conditions and defects, CAPEX planning, HSE compliance, reports and documentation. The law is clear. Employers must avoid work at height where possible. Oversight means less people on roofs. Because of our UAV-first approach to roof inspections, you reduce work at height exposure while improving documentation for governance, compliance, and audit. Oversight, built for portfolios, giving you consistent insight across all sites. If you manage multiple buildings, Oversight standardizes how condition is captured and tracked, so budgets go to the highest risk issues first. Book a pilot inspection or request an Ovrsite Atlas demo, and we'll show you how Ovrsite turns roofs into data-driven, managed assets.